When it comes to flying, the difference between carry-on and checked luggage can impact more than just what you pack. It can shape your entire travel experience. From airport lines and fees to convenience and flexibility, choosing the right luggage can mean the difference between stress and simplicity. Here's what truly sets carry-on and checked bags apart. Carry-on luggage offers speed, efficiency, and control. With a properly sized carry-on, there's no need to check your bag, wait at baggage claim, or worry about lost luggage. It's ideal for short trips, business travel, or minimalist packers. Airlines often allow one carry-on and a personal item, which can cover enough ground for 3 to 5 days of travel. Packing cubes and smart folding can stretch space even further. Security is another win for carry-ons. Your bag stays with you from departure to arrival. That means no risk of delayed baggage, missing items, or rough handling by airline staff. It also allows faster transitions between flights and easier exits after landing. However, there are trade-offs. With tighter space limits, there's less room for clothing options, souvenirs, or bulky items. Carry-ons are also subject to stricter liquid and item restrictions. If you're traveling in winter or bringing gear, it might not be enough. Checked luggage, on the other hand, offers freedom to pack more. Larger suitcases allow room for longer trips, specialty equipment, or shared packing with a travel partner. There's no need to worry about fitting everything into a small overhead bin, and travelers aren't limited by the same TSA liquid rules. But with that freedom comes extra steps. Checking a bag means arriving earlier, paying possible baggage fees, and waiting at the carousel post-flight. It also opens the door to potential delays, misplaced bags, and the hassle of filing lost luggage claims. Then there's the matter of airline policies. Budget airlines often charge steep fees for checked bags, making a carry-on the more affordable choice. Meanwhile, international flights may include checked bags in the ticket price, shifting the cost-benefit balance. The destination also plays a role. Urban trips with lots of walking or public transportation make dragging a large suitcase less practical. Remote or international adventures might demand more clothing changes, supplies, or gifts, making a checked bag the better option. Both carry-on and checked luggage have clear strengths, and the best choice depends on your travel style, trip length, and personal priorities. For speed, control, and ease, a carry-on wins. For capacity, comfort, and longer stays, checked luggage makes sense. Choosing the right bag isn't just about size. It's about making your next journey smoother from start to finish.